The hell?
Pets are not only companions to humans, but they also have hearts that know how to love and share. Sometimes they surprise us by willingly sharing their home with a friend. A small gesture that reflects compassion and a natural bond between animals. The two kittens think this bully dog is their mom, and the dog doesn't hesitate to adopt the two adorable kittens either. Ever since the little dog crossed the fence, that was the moment a beautiful friendship began. It's so adorable to see two little ones cuddling like this. This guy is absolutely in love with lizards. He doesn't eat them. He just wants to bring them home. I hope this is just a gentle conversation. Cats and squirrels can sometimes form unusual friendships, especially if they grow up together or live in places with plenty of food. The dog returned from its forest adventure with a little friend. A baby wild boar. It's possible that the young boar had been separated from its mother. The cat started copying the dog's jumping to get inside the house. It seems the dog has found a like-minded friend.
Dai, bravo. Dai, vai. Vai, andiamo. Dai, andiamo a fare colazione. A fare colazione. Dai. Sì. Bravi.
This dog is the hotel's best receptionist. He often attracts guests by leading their pets back to the hotel.
Dai, vai. Vai a fare colazione, dai.
The hell? Kinico the corgi and LD the deer. We can't forget Roxy.
The first time the deer was brought home, and from that moment on, he became part of the family.
Yes.
This dog quickly made friends with a deer that came to visit his family, but the fence kept them apart.
Oh my god, thank you for fucking inviting me.
Of course, Rosa. I'm so glad you can make it.
Your house is so pretty.
The cat brought his neighborhood kitty friend home, completely ignoring Mom's presence in the living room.
Your house is so pretty.
Oh my god. No way. Oh my god. I told you I heard him go behind us.
It looks like this goat wants to join the party too. Let him in.
I was just joking about him running out the window.
The little dog was incredibly excited to introduce his new rabbit friend to his parents, and the rabbit seemed just as confident meeting new people.
No, don't. No, don't.
These two friendly foxes are completely wild, but they really enjoy making friends with dogs and humans. Not even a fence could stop these two dogs from becoming friends.
Huh?
Rowdy! Rowdy!
Oh, he's just doing exactly what he was born to do, herding cattle.
Rowdy! Rowdy!
Even though their family dog has some social issues, the neighbor's golden retriever seems to be saying, "I can fix him." Rest assured, the wolves just want to play with the dog. They don't mean any harm.
Huh?
Is this how the dog gets the goat's attention? This cat is living his dream. Don't worry, the dog just wants to have a friendly chat with the moose. I love how the cat uses its tail to say hello and let's go to the bulldog.
You're not coming in until you drop the fish. Drop. Smalls, drop the fish. Drop the fish.
When your dog keeps bringing fish into the house. I feel like the cat is actually the unfriendly one in this encounter.
Wee. Oh my god. Wee. Wee.
Huh?
This is absolutely the happiest time for this dog. Hey, don't bother me. Leave me alone. Every morning, the ducks come to the front door to call their dog friend out to play. When Dad brings home a wild bird and you just want to be friends with him,
It's raining, and you want to come on a dog walk? What you doing?
this cat is always right on time. He regularly joins the dog and the dog's owner for their walk, rain or shine. The bond between this pair is undeniable. They're truly very close to each other. What I noticed is that this little guy is only the size of a squirrel. Don't even think about running away. Stay and play with me. The dolphin even wanted to come ashore just to be closer to its four-legged friend. Maybe the flock of sheep thinks the dog is one of them, and families should stay together. The calf just wants to follow him home, but it seems the dog doesn't agree. Do you see that little guy over there? He's actually the greatest leader of all.
Huh?
12 days ago, they brought home a cat, and now this is what's happening. Since adopting her dog, she never expected that one day her little pup would come running back with a friend from the neighboring farm.
Leave your rabbit. Leave it. Pop it. No, leave out.
The dog
Leave your
still
rabbit.
wanted to bring his
Leave
new
it.
friend into
Pop
the
it.
house, even
No,
though Dad
leave-
didn't allow
out.
it. They seem like they've been best friends forever. Hey buddy, come to my place. I promise there's lots of good food. A moment where two completely different species connect with each other. Making friends with a hedgehog isn't such a bad choice, if you know how to treat them gently. They're simply just having a meal together, that's all.
Pretty bad weather out there. Come on, pups. Come on, get in the house. Let's go. Come on, come on. It's getting rough out there. Get in here. Come on. Let's go.
Hurry, everybody in here. There, puppies.
Come on, Jericho. Get in the house. Come on. What the heck?
Huh?
Hurry, get in here.
Okay, I guess you can come too. Where's the dogs at?
We all know the dogs are what lured this guy in.
Hurry, get in here.
Okay, I guess you can come too. Where's the dogs at?
Maybe even the dog didn't expect that just one invitation would be enough to get the bobcat to follow him home. This dog accidentally fell into the water and, well, time to start making friends.
What's in your mouth? What is in your mouth? Why?
Luckily, he left just enough space for the bunny to breathe through his
Evelyn.
nose.
Drop it. Drop it.
Henry. They're supposed to go in their paddock. They aren't your pillows.
The dog seems to be trying to turn his home into the coziest little farm.
They aren't your pillows.
They look like a pair of best friends.
Hey there, buddy. You getting yourself a snack? Did you bring home a friend?
Not only did the cat bring this friend home, but it also shared its tasty food. The husky is trying to play with the moose, but it seems like the moose isn't very interested.
Come on, Chi-Chi.
Chi-Chi.
Chi-Chi, come here.
I guess the mother cat would be pretty disappointed to see how easily her kittens were lured away like this. The wild fox seems really eager to make friends with the dog. Just look at how he's trying to get the dog's attention. This adorable cat is doing everything he can to get the attention of the dog he wants to be friends with. Cutest thing ever. They really are best friends.
Huh?
This sweet dog gave up his own food for the stray cat. Who says animals don't have feelings? This isn't something you see every day. Two dogs casually leading a deer as if it were part of the family. This dog is so gentle and polite with his tiny friend. Moments like these make me realize that sometimes animals understand friendship even better than humans do. This dog has learned how to take care of others.
You must be joking if you think, no, let it go, Kevin.
Has anyone else ever gotten in trouble with their mom for bringing a friend home? Turns out she's not as welcoming as you thought. Maybe the dog thinks he's part of the sheep flock too. This dog found a rabbit nest in the backyard and watched the baby bunnies grow up every day. But when they finally left the nest, she was heartbroken. There are no limits to friendship, are there?
What are you doing? Hey! What are you doing down there?
I believe that with just a few more days, the dog could help the cat dig a tunnel so they can meet each other more easily.
Oh, hi, Bill Bunny. Hi, Bunny. Come on. Maya, did you have something to do with that bunny?
It looks like this golden retriever just wants to protect the bunny from the outside world.
Hi, sweetie. Okay.
Stop chasing the rabbit around. Loki.
The bunny made a mistake choosing this backyard to hop around. Now he can't escape his new dog friend. It didn't really look like he came to play with the dog. It looked more like he came to fight. The cow's owner is probably frantically searching for her, not knowing she's been following this dog all along. I wonder what the dog promised to convince the duck to follow him home.
Hi.
When you hear cows mooing outside the door and realize your dogs brought them over, and now you need a good excuse to explain it to their owner.
So the dogs come out. Y'all have to come your way.
I bet the wolves will be absolutely amazed by this unusual new friend. After arriving at this house, the raccoon quickly fit in with the family's pack of dogs.
So I just called my dog inside for the night, and there's something dark attached to his chest. And I was like, what have you put your chest in? There's just a possum hanging off his chest. Duke, come here. Come here. Stop. Oh my God. Something attached to your chest. Come here. Where is he? Come on. Where is he? Hey. Come on.
Maybe this possum thinks the dog is its mom and decided to follow him home.
Hey. Hi, little fella. Hi. Oh my God, that's what's attached to you. Hi.
They're such close friends that the deer has even learned how to breathe like a dog.
Bella, come on. Yay. You guys want a treat? Treat.
Dogs may not be able to speak, but they always know how to make the best friends.
If you find him, hold him. There's some over here. You go get him out of the woods. Thank you. And let him go to his mama. Find him, hold him. There's some over here. You go get him out of the woods. Thank you.
Special delivery. This dog decided to bring the neighbor's puppy home. Not even a fence can keep them from meeting each other. This dog really looks like a big brother. These two boys are so polite they shake hands like true gentlemen.
Why are you shaking so hard?
In this moment, the Doberman forgot he was supposed to be a guard dog.
I can't believe you're shaking so hard. Why are you shaking?
Mowgli, drop the rat. God damn it. Quit bringing birds in here.
The owner of this cat is probably exhausted from constantly having to rescue other animals.
You want a fucking piece of... You want a piece of me, motherfucker?
They look confused, not quite sure what to do with this strange creature. She brought a groundhog into the office to show her mom, but accidentally let it loose. Now it's going to be tough to catch it again.
What is that fucking thing? What the fuck? Hello? What? Chill. Scary. Yo, I'm gonna check his vibe. What are you? Yeah, what are you? Bad vibe!
He's fitting in really well.
Fuck. Hello? What?
How would you react if one day your dog wanted to bring home a wild friend?
Go for a ride, Betty. Betty! Don't you dare jump in my car with that thing. Come here, Betty. Betty, go. Ashley, drop it! Ashley, no! Ashley! Ashley.
Hold on! Eli, no! Eli, get over here! Eli, no!
This dog wants to make friends with a dolphin.
Eli, get over here! Eli, no!
I would melt on the spot if I saw this in real life. I wonder what this guy promised to get those 2 donkeys to follow him.
You're not a cow. You are not a cow. Come home. Come home, Lola.
She thinks she's part of the herd. Maybe it's because they all have the same color. The 2 little dogs just wanted to make friends with the fox. The dog on land and the dog in the water share the same favorite thing, playing fetch. That's what helped them become friends. This friendly coyote simply just wants to make friends. Wait for me, I've got little legs. What a sweetheart! He just wants to have some fun. For dogs, making friends is incredibly simple. The way they act is just like siblings. This fox was rescued by the owner of the 2 dogs, and now he's come back as part of their family. Playing with the cows is this dog's absolute favorite thing. This bird thinks he's a dog. He brought over a stick and invited his best friend to play tug of war.
Mom! Mommy! Mommy! Mama!
The dog is a livestock guardian, but he seemed shy around the little raccoon he just met.
Bill, where did you get this dog from?
The strange dog even acted excited, as if this were his own home. Getting the horses to follow them was way too easy, wasn't it? Just one game of chase was enough for the 2 of them to become friends.
Holy shit. He just fell out of the tree. Oh, you got lucky. Fell out of that tree right there. Lucky dog.
This guy has found a new friend, and he probably has no intention of letting them go. So the cat gets transported all around the house without having to do anything.
Taking him to the bottom. Wait a minute, what is this?
Hi. You just a kitten today?
This raccoon just wants to have a few friends. I have to admit, that mouse is pretty brave for choosing to befriend a cat. The little dog sure knows how to attract the cows on the farm. So heartwarming, right? We hope these moments touched your soul. Please share your stories in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more touching videos. Thank you, and see ya!